Okay, now we saw door to door delivery and buying in shops and all that. Nowadays we have this telebuy, that is you watch a television advertisement and they'll give you a phone number and they'll say, come on, buy this, last chance to buy, whether it is jewelry or saris or anything. Like if you buy within next 5 minutes, if you buy within that time, you get a extra this or extra that, something free, or you get this many percent discount and all that, and they will attract. See, marketing is always to attract the mind of the customer. So, this people do not know, and whether it is an advertisement or a newspaper ad or anything, TV ad or newspaper ad, it is always to attract you. And so, you people fall a prey to this and immediately call up to that number and you want to know the details, and they give you the details and they give you free offers and all that. You are completely convinced, and they also give you guarantee for 6 months and all that. At last they will ask you to give your full address and all that, so that they can send the product home, and they will also say that if this will come within 2 or 3 days and you can pay on delivery. That is, when the product is delivered to you, you can pay for that amount, plus the package that is the postal price may be around 199 or 200 rupees extra for the postal delivery. Okay, this is a normal thing. We see a lot of ads on TV like Naptol, we say telebuy and all that. So, we will take one now, telebuy. Okay, even there are Amazon.com, you can browse in the net and you can choose the kind of dresses that you want to buy. You have Flipkart.com, so many online marketing is going on, and you can immediately ask for it. Certain things you only have to type out and send the order and you will get the product home. But things like telebuy and Naptol and all, you call up and they will reply and they will give you details. You can ask them any doubts you have on the product. Sometimes the price won't be given, so you can ask them for the price and they will give you all the details. We are going to see now a product, a sewing machine. Okay, a sewing machine, a small little sewing machine which can be even kept in your handbag and taken anywhere, which is going to be very useful. And for that they are going to, if you buy that, you get a nice gift offer, which is a Nicer Dicer vegetable cutter. Shall we see that now? Okay. So, this is telebuy. Telebuy means looking at the television advertisement, you buy. Okay. Ordering things through television or ordering for things on TV advertisement. Okay, ordering things on TV ads, alright. Okay. Now you are calling. Now on the screen you see a number and you dial that number. Mr. Jim. I will make it Mrs. Jim. Okay. Hello, is it 9500 customer care. Yes? Welcome to Telebuy. Which product would you like to order? Which product would you like to order? I want to know more details about Mini Silai. You know, Mini Silai is a small little sewing machine. I just write custom care. Okay, a short form of customer care. Yes, ma'am. Mini Silai is a compact little sewing machine SEW, but it's pronounced as sewing machine. Sewing machine. It can be even packed in a handbag. It stitches very well. Okay, it stitches very well. And Mrs. Jim. Well, what is the offer? What is the price? You see, madam, this wonderful machine is only rupees 1999. You get a free offer of very useful nicer dicer. Then Mrs. Jim asks, nicer dicer? What is that? Nicer dicer costs around rupees 600. Nicer dicer costs around 600. It is a vegetable cutter and it can chop vegetables and fruits in a jiffy. Jiffy, you know what it means, in a second. Okay. So, nicer dicer costs around 600. It is a vegetable cutter and it can chop vegetables and fruits in a jiffy. It is absolutely, it is free with the machine, Mrs. Jim. Okay, you can take the order. When will I get it? And the customer care person says, within 2 days, madam. You can pay the amount on delivery. On delivery means when you get the product. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Now, if you see, Mrs. Jim has just seen a TV ad and she has called up that number, okay, 9500 again 00400. Okay. Now, she has just dialed that number and who picks up the call? A customer care of Telebuy, and he says, yes, welcome to Telebuy, which product would you like to order? And Mrs. Jim says, I want to know more details about Mini Silai. And the customer care person says, yes ma'am, Mini Silai is a compact little sewing machine. It can be even packed in a handbag. So small it is, okay, and everything it contains in that. It can even be packed in a handbag. It stitches very well. Mrs. Jim, well, what is the offer? What is the price? And the customer care person says, you see madam, this wonderful sewing machine is only 1999 and you get a free offer of a very useful Nicer dicer. And Mrs. Jim is quite surprised. Nicer dicer, what is that? And he goes on to say, customer care person, Nicer dicer costs around 600. It is a vegetable cutter and it can chop vegetables and fruits in a jiffy. In a jiffy means in a second. It is free with the machine. So it comes free with the sewing machine. Mrs. Jim is so satisfied. Okay, you can take the order. When will I get it? She asks. And the customer care person says, within 2 days, madam, you can pay the amount on delivery. And immediately Mrs. Jim says, thank you. So this is how you place an order through Telebuy, Naptol, all this I told you. So she is very happy looking at a TV ad. She has placed the order and she is going to get the product within 2 days, and then only she need to pay. Isn't it wonderful? You can also, if you don't have time to go to a shop and buy, you can always buy online. Things have become so easy for you. Isn't it wonderful? But only thing, you should know how to speak, and here you have learned how to speak English fluently.